If you guys are tired of the same old cookie-cutter homes that lack personality and character, then we have something for you. Modern Barndominium home kits. That's right, we're talking about homes that are equal parts barn and condominium. And they are all the rage in the housing market right now. Imagine having a home that's spacious, stylish, and screams, "I'm not like the other houses." Not to mention, they come in a kit form. So you can put your inner enthusiast to work and have the satisfaction of building your dream home from scratch. How's that? So here we have 6 modern Barndominium home kits in the market that's going to capture your hearts. Shall we begin? Number 6, Stillwater. This is one of the best popular home kits on the market, and for good reason. Not only is it affordable, but also customizable to fit your specific needs and preferences. One of the great things about Stillwater Barndominium home kits is its versatility. Whether you're looking for a cozy and compact home for 2 or a spacious and inviting home for a larger family, this kit has got you covered. With its open concept design, a lofted bedroom, and tall windows that let in natural light into the hall with a vaulted ceiling nearly 25 feet high. That means you'll have plenty of space to relax, entertain, and make unforgettable memories with your loved ones. And let's not forget about the aesthetic appeal to the Stillwater Barndominium home kit. Its sleek and modern design is sure to impress all of your friends and family. Plus, the kit comes with a variety of options for exterior finishes, so you can choose the look that best suits your personal style. Number 5, the Oak Ridge. First of all, this 2-story building kit is incredibly versatile. The main level can be used as a garage, horse barn, or workshop, while the second level can be transformed into a spacious home or office. With its steep roof pitch and dormers, the Oak Ridge has vaulted ceilings that'll make you feel like you're living in a grand castle. But what really sets the Oak Ridge apart is its post and beam construction. This reliable and long-lasting method ensures that your home kit is built to last. And with the finest Douglas fir post and glulam beams from the Pacific Northwest, you know you're getting a quality product. The Oak Ridge comes mainly in 5 standard sizes, each with 2 steel-framed breezeway doors, a 12x12 deck, dormers, and a door and window package. And if that's not enough, this highly customizable building kit can be adapted to meet your specific needs. Whether you're looking for a cozy home or a functional workspace, Oak Ridge has got you covered. Plus, with its classic style and flexibility, it's no wonder that this is one of the most popular barns with living quarters. Number 4, the Freemont. The Freemont. It's unique, it's stylish, and it's definitely worth your attention. Let's start with the basics. This one here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom barn home kit that boasts an open concept design. And boy, does it deliver. The first floor is spacious and perfect for entertaining. You'll find a large kitchen, dining, and a great room area, as well as a private office. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just chilling with your loved ones, this floor has got you covered. The upstairs is a haven of comfort and relaxation. It features tucked-away living quarters that include a large master suite and a private bathroom and a second bedroom with additional bathroom in the hallway. So whether you're a family or a couple, the Fremont has everything you need to feel right at home. Now, let's talk about the construction. The Fremont is built using the reliable post and beam method, which means that it's built to last. With proper maintenance, this heavy timber barn-style home will stand proudly for generations to come. And that's not all. The Fremont comes standard with cedar board and batten siding, a covered patio, Douglas fir stairs, a premium window package from Anderson, and knotty alder exterior doors. So not only is it built to last, but it's also built to impress. But why should you choose the Fremont over other tiny house kits in the same price range? Well, for starters, it's unique. The open concept design, the post and beam construction, and the premium materials set it apart from other tiny house kits. And let's not forget about the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, something that's hard to find in tiny house kits. Number 3, the Alberta. This bad boy boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a whopping 2,707 square foot floor plan. Yeah, you heard that right. It's the perfect family home, and let me tell you, it's built to impress. One thing that sets this Barndominium apart is its unique double-pitch roof design. This is basically known as a Gramble style, and it's usually seen in traditional American hay barns. It's a classic look that's sure to turn heads and make your home stand out from the rest of the neighborhood. But it's not just about looks with Alberta. The open concept great room with vaulted ceilings is perfect for entertaining, and the carefully designed floor plan ensures that your family has plenty of space to spread out and get comfortable. And let's talk about the materials for a minute, shall we? The Alberta is built from the finest Douglas fir post and beams from the Pacific Northwest. That means it's not only beautiful, but it's also built to last. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sure, the Alberta sounds great, but what about customization options? Well, with hundreds of options and upgrades to choose from, the Alberta is the perfect starting point for any family looking for a rustic, one-of-a-kind dream home. You can truly make it your own and create the home of your dreams. And don't forget about the value that Alberta can add to your property. The natural wood exterior and heavy timber accents are sure to catch the eye of anyone who passes by. It's a home that's not just a shelter, but a statement piece that showcases your unique style and personality. Number 2. The Concordia. This Barndominium comes with a whopping space of 2,718 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. That's right, you won't be feeling cramped in this bad boy. Plus, it's a 2-story barn home plan, which means you'll have even more room to stretch out and relax. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty details. The Concordia is styled on the classic DC Structures heavy timber look, which means you'll have the rustic charm without sacrificing modern amenities. And speaking of amenities, there's a den, loft, and mudroom, perfect for all your home and hobby needs. But what really sets Concordia apart is the quality of the materials. It's built from only the finest Douglas fir posts and beams from the Pacific Northwest. That means you'll have a home that not only is beautiful, but also sturdy and long-lasting. Plus, the natural wood exterior and heavy timber accents add interest and value to your property. Win-win. But don't think you're stuck with just one design. The Concordia offers hundreds of options and upgrades to make this building uniquely yours. From custom lighting to special flooring, the possibilities are endless. Number 1. The Hawthorne. Now, if you're someone who loves to have guests over always, then this one is for you. So what's so special about this kit? First of all, let's talk about the design. The Hawthorne boasts a family-friendly layout with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, perfect for families or those who love to have guests over. And speaking of entertaining, the open concept living and dining area with a covered porch is just what you need to impress your friends and family. But what really sets the Hawthorne apart is the construction method. Unlike other tiny house kits, this sturdy barn home is built to last with post and beam construction. Let me tell you, Pacific Northwest cedar siding and select-grade Douglas fir posts and beams create the feel of a timber frame home, while the cupola and raised center aisle call to mind a classic American barn. It's like having the best of both worlds. And let's not forget about the high-end rustic aesthetic. The knotty alder exterior doors and heavy timber accents add that extra touch of elegance that will make your Hawthorne kit stand out from the rest. But wait, there's more. Upstairs, children or guests have free reign of 2 bedrooms and a shared bathroom, while parents can enjoy the selection of the master bedroom on the main level. It's like having your own personal oasis in the comfort of your home. Isn't that great? Well, guys, that's it for our tour of the 6 modern Barndominium home kits in the market. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to trade in my apartment for one of these bad boys and start living like a true modern-day cowboy. I mean, who wouldn't want a home that's both stylish and functional? What do you guys think? Do drop your views in the comment section below. We'll meet again in another episode. Until then, see ya.